Hey there, welcome back to Tegniese Leiding. I'm Arindam, and in today's video, we will dive into the fascinating world of Lambda expressions in Java 8. Lambda expressions provide a concise and expressive way to write code, making your programs more readable and efficient. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what Lambda expressions are. In Java, a Lambda expression is an anonymous function that can be treated as a value and passed around within your code. Its syntax consists of parameters, an arrow, and a body. For example, parameters to body. Lambda expressions are often used with functional interfaces, which are interfaces that define a single abstract method. These interfaces serve as the target type for Lambda expressions. Instead of creating an implementation class, you can provide the implementation directly using a Lambda expression. Let's see a practical example. Consider the comparator interface, which defines the compare method. Previously, we would implement it using an anonymous inner class. But with Lambda expressions, we can simplify the code significantly. Comparator equals A, B, to A, compare to B. In this example, the Lambda expression, A, B, to A, compare to B, is assigned to a comparator object. The compare to method is implemented within the Lambda expression itself, eliminating the need for a separate class. One of the most powerful aspects of Lambda expressions is their ability to be passed as arguments to methods. Let's explore an example using the for each method of the list interface. List fruits equals arrays. AS list, apple, banana, orange. Using a Lambda expression. Fruits, for each, fruit to system.out. Print ln, fruit. Here, the Lambda expression, fruit to system.out, print ln, fruit, is passed to the for each method. It prints each element of the fruits list, resulting in concise and readable code. Lambda expressions provide several benefits. They reduce boilerplate code, making your codebase cleaner and more maintainable. They also enable you to write more functional style code, especially when working with streams and filtering operations. That wraps up our exploration of Lambda expressions in Java 8. We've learned how to define Lambda expressions, use them with functional interfaces, and pass them as arguments to methods. With their conciseness and expressiveness, Lambda expressions simplify coding and enhance readability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Java programming content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy coding! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.